go. But a brand so ya. O ka ni pa. Se Nyankopɔn brand so you perform wonders. Authority, who possesses authority, who command with authority, who cast with authority. And only a damn best of the suit. That means a town of us. And when you see someone using authority or commanding, who say, I let air command or a miracle or two human who say the season is for him or her. When you see Bala in a Papa Nyanko show, also see a video. Papa Nyamisha said, Wabaso. Papa may say, meet me at the door. Now made what to move from him. Say a breast one, not a so. So when you breast one, not a so. When the time is up, my brother, no fire can quench it. No intimidation. And found it at any shady away pan. So we beat 10 and the brass so fluent, China, mammy, papa, or him. Forget everything that you do to forsake the person. And as I obey yes, would the Buna and forget it because the person time is up. Papa Nyango will God bless you. You're going to do by you. Rofa or him. Now, made you for me. Me person catch the Christo for your abanese. Open a brasso at the amount of worship. Something hands were babbling some bosom and a bosom great or the bad dancing in William Sano into September, nay, bosom into October, you remain. Beginning to establish yourself. We are married person, we a business person, we will be a bit too kind. We will be a bit with your impasse because we bring us so and the amount of money. But for Brasso and the amount of real, a brass will say we took a brass will say we are promotion. Why any bit you are stopping any brasso? Joseph Brasso, so fear and in fear, or fear a fiancé back or him Potiphar in him. Mephibo said, I know what a crana second, a brand suman. David can say, I will break the rules I do if you are my way. I will make it possible. Say, new king, new law. Till 1 year, 2, Daniel was only my someone catch Daniel. Almost or he who made a covenant with us. And if you are Kunya, what is on what the Petianka one and so. Say, breach contract. Umfa no nchano jade no waka na yes na ho obi ahwe se wode baye adwuma na yes ampa obra so se ohina wote ase oka oyo na wo pese ubusu because of favor you pese wode favor Daniel brother sister so obi aka che ebre ye wo mi enya wo bra forget him no head shase se okase se Kristo ni o wakoku no wo nwenta so no we ni dan so na o command. And begin to command good things for yourself. Begin to command what you want. Begin to process what you want to do. Beginning to make a good movement for yourself. Because movement is your baby. A brand new continue to be feeling that movement. The Jesus is running and so everything. So what brings one? Two and more issue. But when there is no time for you, who making movement to be an issue? When there is no time, any movement that you make, you fear. Utu and Amona say, "Who can say a baby ye pet?" That means ye, but a breast one, I did your baby. I met me, self-confidence. Ebony Panafa. Oh. Alam, shukran. Say, shukran. Salid, shukran. Eh? Monsieur, Quatafone is a man I know. What do you mean? akwatafo no say ye de yen so we want to make a history for our country or the society. Yen so person making record, you breaking record. We can also make a history in the history of the Bible. Yen so be ya de bia, yen so di be controls and ampa so e tro mudi. Nka bi say akwatafo de e tro mudi ayede. E den akwatani betumi aye. E with the era of you and I. They show the history about the ancient generation. They do extraordinary things. So these people can do these things. So they deserve to be in the history of the Bible. And it will be to me, it will be to me a big star. Be the Guinness book, Guinness record book. Sanity. Will be to me a star. Now we should do book, the history book, and children generation. Baba this person did this to in the era of his time. In the book, I'm in comedy in Africa in Amazon. Now we are seeing number. I'm in coma. You're kind of we deal with the history of the book. Now, couple shots I will hear now. What's in the person? No can I say? If I say me, you say I did be out on. Na antiaguno na ebrene nzuye but busumi dui it's time for you to make a good movement because this is the time as a utu anamona se onya mintasho any anger ethiopia will be too anamobia it shall go with successful a very successful a very wonderful a very just a unique. And people will never understand. It will become a surprise for people because they don't think you can make that movement and what will make you. Not almost expected it will end with a good result, but end of the day you have achievement. Therefore, ma Kristo emfa wo so enhye wiase ne munyam ma Kristo emfa wo so enye ne munyam ewo Kristo so. Let me remember you said a time of the month of October is your time. Try to do something. Try to wake up yourself from zero to hero. You are zero now. And you can be a hero tomorrow. We are zero, you don't have anything. But watch now in somehow that can then become watching up and make you a popular person. I'll be finding a couple of a woman saying you don't deserve to be that party in are you full shana no number football set 87 but never so ye David Estanie. Breaking rules and it will be a minor that time. I say, new law. Say, Bubuani, trying fee, or Makunumbo were better, or in a inventing or in a better, said the dear. Me, David, may break his our record because of Jonathan. Favor me, won't he? May you should say 2 men as a king. I'm the fifth. Mephibosheth. Joseph Dafias woman. Ne presso ye no he na se dimumu bia ntumi anche da ye yase. Akwa ba ko ka se me kamera na me Dafias. Me da ye ni pa wo tumi kire ma se e Joseph o Dafias. Na wo he ni boni afri no so ye kufa ne ba ne na kopwi na afri ni tiri na afu. Ite ni pa ani afri no so ba ne kasa. Ma ye hu se this Joseph and or Dafias. Se wo bresso you don't need to fear anything that you do. You're supposed to believe yourself, command and be the authority, be the leader in any